Okay, guys. Good morning. This is B.S.Trade here. It looks like we are potentially going to get a short setup here. So we are going to see that happen. Hopefully here in the next minute or two, or the next 5 minutes, whenever it happens. And I'm going to bring it to you live and show you how we make money and make a living trading the forex markets. So just stay tuned, and if it happens, you'll be the first to know. Okay, guys, so I'm going to sell this market right now. There we go. So we are in, and then I'm going to put in my stop loss and take profit, and we'll manage this trade. Okay, guys, so we have our sell entry right here, and you can see where I placed my stop loss, which is just above this swing high, and our profit target is for this support level right in here. So this is what we're shooting for. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we took that short and it came super close to our take profit. So what I'm going to actually do, and what I like to do, is I like to trail my loss. So I'll just put just before break even, and that way this is in trade. Oh, let's see here. Okay, guys, so this was awesome because this is a perfect example of how to manage a trade. Forget about learning, entries and exits and a profitable, proven system. This is real trading, where you learn how to manage your trade, manage your emotions, and trade confidently. So this is what happened. We trailed our stock down. This is where we entered, right here, and you'll learn this right here, which is the support area. I was looking for it to come down just a little bit further. It didn't quite make it, and it popped up. And so now to protect the trade and to still come out with a little bit of gain, I pulled my take profit just before break even and got out with some pips. Wasn't huge, but it was still a successful trade. Many traders, after entering right here, they'll see the market start to go down in the direction that they want it to. But they start thinking, I'm making money. Wow, this is awesome. And then it starts to go against them, and then they freak out. Then they exit right here at the top of the market, just to see it go down, and they freak out again, like, man, I should have stayed. And they buy again, just to see it go back up. And then they start thinking, shouldn't have done that, get out again. And what happens? It takes a dive. And you learn about choosing your levels. I chose this one, and I didn't quite make it. The market is its own beast. But it's still amazing. Came within a few pips of our take profit. Still ended the day with money in the bank. That's all that matters. You're going to make money every day. So I'm telling you right now, one of the secrets to becoming a consistently profitable trader is to learn what real trading is. It's not about making 1,000 pips a day. You can make 10 pips. I know traders that are making, that are scalping for 5 to 10 pips and are making a killing. It all comes down to trade management, money management, and a decent system. You could have a system that wins 33% of the time and still make a fortune and still make a living trading. So what I stress for you is to learn trade management, money management, and then the system. Okay? Like, you can read and learn the system, but before you go into depth into the system, learn what your risk tolerance is, and how you feel when you have real money on the line. Okay? So I'm showing you a real trade here. A lot of these marketing gurus that aren't really traders. They show you all these crazy pie in the sky projections. We do well here at BayTrader.com, and we show what we do. But we don't win every single trade. But when we do lose a trade, it's fine because we're confident in our trading ability, and that is what we want to pass on and teach you. Let us do that. Let us help you become a consistently profitable trader. Get rid of the bosses. Own your time. You can trade from anywhere with an internet connection. You can trade from your phone. I've done it. I have pictures on my blog. Check it out. BayTrader.com. This is no BS trading, no gimmicks. This is real stuff. So you learn trade management. I pulled my stop loss down here. I got it right here. There are several different ways to get in and out of the BayTrader Pro system and utilize your money management. You could have done even better. We have a trader that actually wrote it back down and got out and made a killing today. You learn what to look for. You learn what to spot. I am so passionate about the no BS and the teaching real trading. I'll give you my phone number. You'll have a phone number when you start trading with BayTrader.com. If you have any questions, you can email me, call me, and we are here for you. Okay? So that is a wrap. I'll get off my soapbox here. So see us at BayTrader.com. Also, like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube page. And stay connected. Okay? You can seriously be making a full-time income in a year. I'm not going to tell you tomorrow like some of these marketers do. I'm going to tell you the truth. It's not, there's a learning curve to everything. And you will and can have a profitable system, but it can instantly become unprofitable if you aren't confident enough. You will learn confidence. Mastery. Okay? So, BayTrader.com. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And email me with any questions. I'm here for you. We are. We want to get you to where we are. Thank you for watching this trade and listening to my rants, if you will. Just passionate about the business.